Maxtec has always been at the forefront of this ever-changing security landscape. Partnered with Fortinet, we believe we have the right security solutions catering for an ever-changing environment. The ITWeb Security Summit attracts the right individuals and, more importantly, the IT experts in our industries under one umbrella. They've got access to multiple security vendors and exhibitors sharing their security solutions. And we believe vendors should be forming alliances to combat cyber threats. Our participation as a gold sponsor gives us the ability to share our knowledge and expertise around security solutions. Please register online. There are lots of prizes, more importantly relationships to be formed, free security assessments at zero charge.